try to drink some coffee this night. Okay, this live is offensive pen testing, and this is up for learning education only. From getting started, our part is the 57%. So getting started in this tutorial, Vulnerability and Blue is completed. Advanced exploitation, okay. Steel Mountain was done, and we need to go to Alfred. Okay, let's go and dive some. I want to make some territory where we can walking. So I've already have a TSM and TryHackMe folder. So let's create with mkdir Alfred and cd to Alfred, and let's open our Visual Studio Code here, and let's create some readme.markdown. I think that was enough to read it and make the room is Alfred. I don't know about this machine. Maybe this was a old machine, but this is on the subscription pad. So wow, this is a Windows machine, and we have some task 1 here and initial access. Let's create the task 1 here, initial access, and we need to start the machine. Let the machine starting. What is the good question is how many port is open. It is a TCP only, and let's create here. What is the username and password for the login panel? So we got the username and password to checking. Find the feature tools that allow to execute command. The first thing we need to go is we need to turn on our VPN, and I will try to go to my Kali box and create the cd to TryHackMe, and ls here we have nothing here, so we can make directory Alfred, cd to Alfred, and hey, I don't know, I have the VPN on the TryHackMe folder, so let's sudo open VPN, then file for VPN. Okay, and put our password and open another new tab here. Let's say the VPN connection. So in here our workspace. Okay, let it call it the, maybe I will call it the terminal. And I will zoom it for you to edit, zoom in and zoom in and more zoom in and more zoom in. I think this was enough. Let's check the machine. Okay. Our live here, and no. Okay, the machine is 10.10.10. okay, let's copy this and let's go to here and do some ping. Oh, the machine is live. In this room we'll learn how to exploit common misconfiguration on widely used automation server Jenkins. This tool is used to create continuous integration and continuous development CI/CD pipeline that allow developer automatically deploy their code. So they made change to it, after which we will use interesting privilege escalation. Since this is a Windows application, we will be using Nissan to gain. Wow, this is the Windows machine. I put the title is the Linux. The repository contain a useful set of scripts for initial access, enumeration, and privilege escalation. In this case, will be used reverse shell script. Okay, please note that this machine does not support to ping. And may take a few minutes to boot up. We was 4-minute run, and let's do some enumeration. I will make some enumeration with nmap tag sv sg tag sv sv. I think that's tag p and paste the IP. And put it on the Alfred nmap log. I need to put maybe tag t4 and p tag p. Let's do it. Before that, let's check the other sport. Hey, what I'm doing? Let's open our browser and let's take a look about the port. The port 80 is open. Let's take a look. Wow, RIP Bruce Wine. Donation to Alfred Wine Enterprise com. I greatly appreciate. Okay, let's take a look the pet source. Heck, Alfred. We got some email here for looting. And RIP Bruce Wine. Let's copy this email address and put it on our phone. I will create it. I will name it with looting and email like this. And what else? I'm just waiting for the nmap to finish the scan. Or we can go with Google Buster or what? Okay. I don't create the tag min feed for both our nmap session here, so let's run. As it's run, why we not write some switching cells here and get the task to write some in here. What is the engine here? Oh, look like we are using the Metasploit here. What's the size of final exe payload generated? Okay, and task 3 is privilege escalation. What is the question on the task 3? View who I am, brief with no answer needed here, and enter route incognito and Metasploit is up to date. Okay, just copy this this is no answer needed. Then use command to impersonate token. So we got to impersonate some user here. What is next question? Answer ps command pid process and do this and read the root.txt file location on the C system Windows 32 on config. Okay, and what we do is routing, enumeration, or like nmap. Oh, our nmap still not going to, and I will get some new tab here. Let's say MSF Metasploit framework and zoom it. Let's prepare our terminal here. I will zoom it again 4 times. I'm using a remote desktop, so I could not use a control here. Maybe I will try it. Control plus here. Oh, it's function. Okay. Let's read our voice sticky key are disabled. Let's read our mission from the one initial access. Okay, what, how many port is TCP open? Okay, this is the answer with we got the answer from the nmap. What is the username and password for the login panel? So we got the panel login. Find the feature of tool that allow you to execute command on the underlying system. When you find this feature, you can use this command to get the reverse shell on your machine and run it. PowerShell EX new object network client download string. We got this PowerShell TCP PS1. Wow, where's we got that? PowerShell TCP reverse IP. I'll check it from the internet. Since it's Windows application, we're using Nisang to get initial access. What is the Nisang? I hope I can. Nisang. What is Nisang? Is a framework, the collection of script, the payload that enable use to PowerShell. Nisang PSM1. Nisang invoke. We got the invoke some invoke PowerShell here. I use Control F and PowerShell. What's this? Nisang import module Nisang PSM1. Get information PS1. Okay, reverse script. Let's take a look at the reverse script. Oh, so we got this invoke power TCP shell here. So TCP IP address and port, Windows PowerShell running as user. Something went wrong. Check if the server is reachable or the connection to port. Invoke power TCP. Let's take this for our code, and we need as row here. I'll command A to command G, copy that, and let's our nmap looks like was completed. Let's open here vim invoke, what's the name, PowerShell TCP, PowerShell TCP .ps1 okay, invoke PowerShell TCP .ps1 okay. Let's create this and paste insert and control V here and do some save with W key, and we can cut the nmap Alfred nmap log. So we got the RDP port open, and 1 2 3, so we got the 3 port open here. Let's copy this for our enumeration. And paste it here. Can we answer the question for one? With the first question is with 3 option. Let's take a look at the login panel here. Okay, and let's take a look at our port 8080 here. What is the port 8080 is? Sign into Jenkins. Wow, Jenkins. This is the panel. So can we use admin here? And we need to save that. Login form with admin and admin password here. Wow, I see the dashboard here. Jenkins project. What is this? Jenkins is, and I think the password here is the guessing. This is the question, is 3 the answer, and the password is admin. I put the admin here. Let's try to do that. Ta-da! Yup! Find a virtual source that allow you to execute command. Okay, let's see what we got here. You know, that's this as Jenkins file, and it's generated with the Jenkins version 2.190.1. Credential in item. Let's take a look about this one. What's this to enter the item name? Jenkins 2.1. Let's take a look this. Okay, copy and try to search the spread here. Clear. Search exploit for Jenkins. No result. Let's try Jenkins. We got here. What we got here? Extreme Java docs and multiple vulnerabilities. Remote command execution. Wow. 2150.02. This one. 219. Wow. This is the higher. Remote execution. Dependency CLI and Jenkins 2. Record this. We got 2% here, and this is description tilted storage sandbox. Jenkins. Let's cut Alfred. Load and not load here. I really want to know about the port 8080. The robot, this hello one robots.txt. We got the robot this.txt here. Allow with entries. Let's Control C here and check out what is the robot.txt content is. So for 8080 here, and let's take a look at the robots.txt here. We don't want robot to click build links. What's the build links here? We got Jenkins here, and what is the build history here? What? Looks like some terminal here. We got some terminal here. Console running sys. What's? See Bruce app data. So we can got the Bruce here. Can we change this? No change. Edit build information. Description preview. Back to project. What we got in the project? Huh? We get the build now. What is the recent change? Nothing. Let's back to the dashboard and this project. What is this project does? Build now. Can we configure here? Jenkins. What type of the platform this? Groovy. Whoops. Windows batch command. And a Windows batch script for building the project. The script will run to the workspace and error level with 0. What is the advanced point here? And row level to set the build unstable. So let's go to the okay. Error level not set. Build step. Execute Windows batch command. Invoke creator script. Invoke run with timeout. Set the status to pending. Batch command. What is the execute cell? Set to be unstable. So there is environment available. Branch name, change ID, build ID, jobs base name, SPN. What's Jenkins use is? Source code management. I think this is running the execute cell maybe, or our PS1. Let's take a look for our PS1's command. Let's listing here, nothing here. CD Alfred and I put the info. Info. I will move info to the Alfred, and let's cut our Alfred. Cut invoke PowerShell TCP PS1. Description descript is powerful with parameter. I will check the command here. This look up as some common function invoke. Can I copy here? And TCP, where is the TCP IP address port here? Find system TCP port running Windows PowerShell winning user, and environment computer here. Send back info. Let's work. IP address, where you put your IP address here? The IP address to connect when using the reverse switch. Let's check out the reverse cell for Jenkins. Groovy Java reverse cell. What we got here? This is the missing, like he is will execute command with but reverse cell, right? But reverse cell. One liner. What reverse cell one-liner? We can go to one-liner here. Use metasploit. What? Untext, maybe this one. Call my files kmu.exe. Why? What's this? Where is the kmu.exe here? PowerShell.exe. My files kmu.exe. I didn't see the kmu.exe in my files folder here. What is the my files? Windows reversal cheat sheet. Okay, let's take a look about this. Shell Windows hack trick. I think this was working. What we got here? We got mimikat cheat sheet, shell cheat sheet, get out cheat sheet, everything ID. Exploit, but we cannot Alfred. Maybe on the versioning the application here. We got here on the build configure, and let's check the credential configure here. What is the configure? Leave the page. I want to know the version of this application is what is REST API Jenkins version 2.1, admin API, SSL public key. What? Password. What is the password? Is session terminal or session. Admin description, API token, credential, email, extend email joking. What we got here? Do we got some credential here? User admin, Jenkins admin. We do some XRDP to the remote. Let's do some X free RDP /v /u. Let's say admin /p. Let's say admin and /p. What is the IP here? Let's copy this and Can we use this? Fail to connect. What we got here? I want to run the nmap again. Nmap min sg min sv, the min p is 8080. For the ip is this ip tag vv, and let's say what is running here. Complete scan total. Nmap. Okay, just this task. And we doesn't have the telling the version what the application running is. This is just a HTTP proxy. Any incorrect syntax JT version JT for files for snapshot, maybe under JT. Okay, let's copy this selection, and let's check the exploit for that. I want to know snapshot. Let's say exploit. We got here information disclosure. Let's open this. What is the exploit detail about the JT? What? The OC.xml. Oh. This is the emerging thread Jenkins plugin. Where's the RCE text step? This vulnerability was triggered from a single Jenkins security adversary here. Okay, exploit code for this bin to GitHub on the GitHub. What is the web detection? This by publishing. Next step, CVE, script vulnerability, authentication, security. Do we have some remote code execution here? Jenkins plugin vulnerability. This is our detection. Pipeline, including pipeline Groovy, and again Linux. Scan again Linux mitigation. What is the CVE code here? I didn't see the CVE code. This, let's copy this and let's take a look for the CVE code here. Now command T, and what is the CVE detail here? Metric operation. Oh, this is the Jenkins POC. Security CVE exploit.py. What is the exploit? Import ORG class bin bus. Cat etc password /bin /bus. But it's a Windows machine. unperformed. Jenkins data. Maybe this ASPX I want to run the ASPX command for reverse cell. I want to get the reverse cell. Reverse cell. What we got here is a reverse cell code here. Okay. Alexander, then you can press build now and it should run the PowerShell. Okay, now let's take a look at the PowerShell reverse cell here. I need to call to create some reverse cell. PowerShell reverse cell. Maybe on the Pentesting monkey have one liner. Niti Sam Asok PowerShell penetration reverse cell. Oh. My Kali box is so slow. Nisang invoke PowerShell TCP. Synopsis: the Nisang script can be used to reverse binding PowerShell from a target description, but it's the PS1. And can I use GTFO pin here? Let's look. Pentesting monkey. Let's check our cell cheat sheet Windows privilege escalation Mimikatz. I don't have Mimikatz. Windows Extrict and C Python.exe. Okay, power Ruby Lua OpenSSH victim PowerShell. Default network credential is EAX PS1. Wow. No profile. Power up. Object. Download source. Start process. Where is the good one here? I think how about this one? I will check this one. Let's copy this line up to this. Let's copy all this and take it to our node here and paste it here. PowerShell. This is look good for me. So we need to the build command here, isn't it? My IP address is 4.10.27 and 160. Need to port 81 and what's the invoke the PowerShell TCP. Let's check here and okay, let's close this. Okay, and store user admin and let's see Let's clear and this thing here. We got this PowerShell. Let's film the invoke PowerShell TCP. This description is function invoke PowerShell TCP. Example PS invoke PowerShell TCP address port reverse IP address. So we got the invoke TCP reverse IP address for 808080. So PowerShell, this is just a downloading with the ex command here. We just download the ex, but we got the PowerShell to running our reverse. What is the command here? It's the one line. PowerShell exit URL PowerShell ex bypass the say command we will print default. So we must up our invoke PowerShell TCP here, and we must start person only. Okay, let's copy this. Maybe I can use to pipe here with command invoke power TCP reversal on port 8080 here maybe. Let's copy this one to this one. Let's complete our payload here. Whoa, what I'm doing here? Escape. Maybe I just cut the invoke so I can copy the line for the parameter here. Invoke PowerShell TCP. Where is you go? Okay. PowerShell TCP and copy this. Copy this selection. Example, we got the piece. But PowerShell must be running in here. Maybe we got this with PowerShell no profile here. PowerShell with why not just pass here PowerShell invoke. Can I just use invoke here? IP address. This is my IP maybe. 10.4.27.160 and the port 444. Let's take a look. But we got the PowerShell. Do we need a PowerShell here? Let's try without PowerShell here, and we need to go to the build console here. Where you go? This is the project, and go to the configuration, isn't it? And just copy our command, and we got set the listener here. Let listen on port. Let's clear this. And mention in LPP the quad 4 here. And go is go to the build and execute command here. I know this will execute, but how they execute this? Let's control V here and da 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 da. There you go. Just save. You still got nothing here. And post build action. Can we save here? What we got here? Hey, we not publish our I need to let's clear this and cd to Alfred, and we need to go to Python min m http.server port 81 and can we go to run build now? Think is it downloaded? No. What's happened? Build now. I got an error here. What's the error code here? Project. Console output. It doesn't have the trigger here. Port 81 invoke PowerShell TCP. Invoke PowerShell TCP PS1. I think this is the make it. How can we they explain how to use this? Oh, HTTP. We just use this. We don't read this. Just invoke. Oh, you use. Oh. Not pipe here, but this one. Port 444. And let's copy and change our code. Looks like our command here failed to execute to invoke the TCP one here. Can I change or no change? Back to project. Oh no, it's too slow. My connection is very slow. Let's configure again. So the flow here is the Jenkins will download our PowerShell script code and execute that to connect to us. Okay, I got the type we got the flow and how to implement the flow. But we have this and dot slash just here and dot space maybe, and apply and save and let's build now. What we get here, it spoke our web server. No, it doesn't poke our web server here. Whoop whoop whoop, we got here and do our, yes, we got here. Actually we got the PowerShell running. Thank you for Alexander. And who am I here? Alfred Bruce. Okay, Alfred Bruce. What the guess on here? I think we got the cut the user flag. What is the user flag? Thank you. Let's say it's complete here, and let's check in the Bruce folder. Users maybe. CD Bruce, CD desktop, usually the flag in here, and we got the flag here. Let's type user.txt. Okay, I need this to command to copy here, and let's update our command here. What we got here, so we got paste it here, and user.txt is the answer for where is the question? I don't have the question here. I don't save the question here. What is the user flag? Okay, save it here, and let's paste it the flag. What we got here? So lame. Switching cell. Okay. So we have the cell here, but we need to use our Shikataganai reserve recipe. X84. Is the X64? Can we run the sysinfo here? Not sysinfo. I think I did a good map. Sysinfo. Can we have CLS here? And I want to get sysinfo. Microsoft PowerShell command is. Look like we must to upgrade our command line here. Task 2. We got this command Windows X and paste it here and update. I will call it this is and map is complete, and I will tell it the set command to publish our reversal TCP, so the team can download and execute the command from build. Okay, the next task is maybe change the cell using method operator. So we got to generate our payload using MSF Phenom. And how to use the MSF Phenom here? We got here. Let's tell it our can I split this window? Can I split horizontally or vertically? I want to split it vertically, so let's Control C here. Is it broke our terminal? No, isn't it? And let's clear. Why my Control plus not work here? So split will broke the terminal. I need to view zoom in again, zoom in again, so my viewer can see what I'm typing is. And zoom in again. Once more. Okay, let's up our Python in the 81, and let's generate our MSF Phenom here with our payload is reverse TCP. What the code here? Windows Metropreter reverse TCP with AX84 encoder X Sigata airport. Okay, let's copy this and put our node here. Copy all the line, and what we modified here is the lhost. Lhost I will use my IP here for the 37.160, and my port will go to the 133.7, and the name is dodo.exe. Let's copy this encoder X and let's generate our payload. So we can paste it here, make sure it's all okay, and thank you. So we got the comment here. Let's copy this all. I don't know if it's good or not on the our comment here. It's broken. It's really broken. I will copy this and try to copy the this one and paste our comment here. Okay, it's good for you. And this is the size. I think I have the question about this. What is the final size of the exit payload that you generate? Maybe this is the answer is 73,002. Let's paste it here. Yes, and that is the answer. So let's update our readme file here. We got the generate and update to upload to the server, and then use exploit to upload the our payload here. Okay. I know. I see. So we got to upload our power cell here. Okay. So upload the payload to the server using this command. We must got our 10.4.67.160 and port 81. The name is our dodo.exe here. Dodo here. The cell name should be dodo.exe. Okay, keep it simple. So let's copy this, and we already have the command from the terminal. Can we run it from here? And can I copy paste it here and put it here, and we should see our connection here to download the file here, and that is okay. So what next is I want to run the MSF console so we can read the interpreter from the server. Let's minimize our file server Python here. Our MSF console was running. Okay. What you want to use? Actually, we got to from previous cell. So prepare for Metasploit to get interpreter session. The command is we got run the interpreter here, and the command is PowerShell is use exploit multi-handler. Okay. Let's I copied it and this one. We got the generic cell reverse. No, not use that. We use payload is Windows Interpreter reverse cell. TCP, reverse TCP. Set payload for Windows manufacturer to set TCP, and copy this. Okay. Option, just set the air host and set the airport and run. Okay, set air host to turn 0, set airport to, you already use wow, MSF panel, we got to listen 1 2 3 2 7 1 2 3 7. Okay, let's copy this. I need to write some copy here. Reverse TCP, using configuration reverse TCP. Why not you generic using, why it's to oh, okay. The airport is lit, and let's take a look. Our payload is the configuration is okay with the option button here. Tune 0 is not good. Set air host to using 10.4.27.160, and let's take a look our option again. Let's look like okay, and run it with run or exploit, I don't know, maybe run. This is just listening for the lead. So if we run our code here, where I put with my doodle here on the desktop. Okay, start process, isn't it? Start process the doodle.exe maybe. Let's make sure about it. Samname.exe. Okay. Oh, I need to double quote here. And doodle.exe. So our code here. Okay, and let's take a look what will going with when we press the return or enter here. Invoke is not term start process. Process is error, not process. Use start. Sorry for my bad English. I'm come from Indonesia, so my English very pure. So poor. I try my best to speak in English. And start process. Okay, we should open our Metasploit here. Just look setting stake and creating some session. Yes, we got the session here. Let's take a look. Who am I here? Can we can we there here where we we are on the desktop. Okay, we are already on desktop here. This should spawn a metapletter cell for you. Okay, we got the metapletter session here. So we go to the task 3, the privilege escalation. Okay, now that we have the initial access, let's use token impersonate to gain the system access. Actually, I'm really new to the Windows box, and this is usually done by ls.rss.exe. And automated process security anonymous current user say impersonate. What we got here? We got nothing here. View who am I comment is not good, so you can see the two privilege say debugs and say impersonate. I cannot use here. User the client say anonymous concept can impersonate another user. Okay, allow user to carry particular are enabled. Let's use the incognito module that will allow us to exploit this vulnerability. Enter load incognito. Why we need to load incognito here? To load the incognito module in Metasploit. Okay, please note that you may need to use incognito command if the previous command does not work. Wow. Load incognito or use incognito. Load incognito. Loading extension incognito. Login success. And let's who am I /brief. Still got nothing. How about use incognito? Use incognito has already been loaded. Who am I? Who am I command don't exist. Am I misspelled the incognito? I don't think so. To check this token available list token min G, but I cannot use the who am I /brief here. What's the problem? Should I run it on the session? One MSF cell session ID sessions E1 yeah, but we need the command use incognito here. Where's the command here? I need to use this as my type here and run, isn't it? MSF 6 run, and then let's paste it here. Actually we have this on this. Okay, so I'm going to load incognito and loading extension. Okay, so let's move to our next step. We can see the built-in additional source token. Use incognito, say impersonate, but I don't see here. Current user /client. Is it token get list here? What? No token available, impersonation token available, no token available, delegation. So we got the we must to delegate the our interpreter session here to where we got to impersonate our session here. Built-in administrator, maybe anti-operating system, but we got the delegation token here. Okay, we got the delegation token. Let's say complete without running it. Impersonate token, build administrator command to impersonate administrator token. Okay, so we got the built-in administrator command to get UID. Let's the command is get UID. Get UID. So we got who am I? Doesn't know. So we here is as an Alfred. So we need to impersonate our cell to user built-in administrator. And after we impersonate the token to administrator, let's check get UID here, and we got the anti-operating system here. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here. I will cut this one and put it on the top. Okay, so we change our user to anti-authority system right now. And what next? This is the answer. What is the username? Maybe anti-authority system. Okay, let's update our lesson here on the task 3. What is the output when you run the get UID command? We got this. Ensure that you migrate to a process correct permission. To above questions answer. See the safest process to pick the services.exe process. First, use the command ps to command view processes and find the PID. Okay, so we got to migrate our session to the services. The services. Let's take a look at the services. So in here I will try to add. This is on the red team. Maybe this is step for the persistent connection. So I will try to migrate our sessions to persistent services. What is the command is, maybe we need to do some PS here to list our PS code here and copy all this. Is too high. Okay, process list, and let's take a look at the PID here. What is the making problem here? Oh no. Just smaller here. Okay, maybe it need too smaller. What is XA? Amazon.exe. Oh, it's too small. Sorry if you cannot see. I just want to see the locate the service.exe here. Control F and service.exe. We got here 668. So what our command next is maybe migrate to migrate. We'll copy from the command here. Let's migrate our PID to migrate to 68. Migrating from 2068 to 6820. 60x is .exe. Oh, we got still the Alfred here user. So the service we got the services.exe here is using the anti-authority system. So we just let's check the get UID here. So still anti-authority system, but not as an Alfred here, because we as an Alfred Bruce, we delegate the built-in administrator to get the token to escalate our privilege as anti-authority system, but we still Alfred. So we need to migrate to privilege to real anti-authority system here. And let me copy this. So the final things, maybe we can check our last mission here. We get to the PID profile with the root.txt located in cwindows.config. Let's copy this and let's take a look our main. Where we got save Windows system, cd config, and let's here we got root.txt here, and let's type that root.txt. I need to pw, so my command get my readme file can type cannot be used here. Can we use get cat to root.txt? Why type not use? Why unknown command type? This is a Windows box and reverse TCP. I don't know. Let's copy it here. And what is the 2 byte here? Is that necessary for the flag? Let's say I can submit the flag. Okay, we are finishing the Alfred here. And thank you for joining me, and I'm really sorry if my English is very bad, and I appreciate for you to watch my video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel to get bigger. And thank you for watching, and